Rabble Show. I got chat to them and make them chat for it.
Rabble, rabble, you don't know, sir, the one and only NASH-I Rabble Danger. And on this platform, we do things different.
Yes, Jamaican people, call us there again. You know, me I do that video. You know why me I do that video? So me can educate my Jamaican people then, right? You know, so one time I there in Jamaica, and some youth capture a piece of land. The youth them capture a piece of land in Jamaica. And there was this one youth, this one person upon the land, they build a house. Remember I say, when they capture land in Jamaica, you try to build a house, right? So there was this one youth on the land, captured land in Jamaica, who was building a house. And the house they're gonna build is out of plywood. And everybody was talking about the house. How this man's house was made out of plywood and he put like chicken wire on the plywood outside. But me never come to America yet, and a lot of us never travel. So me never come to America to find out say, I know foolishness the man I do. The man did way advance more than a lot of us who was using blocks. Cause back then time enough man I build black house, you know. And the man was way advanced and they ahead. But what me showing you right now, you see a house I build so. Them a house here, look on it. One of them house here are $600,000 US for one of them house here. $600,000 US for one of them house right now. Look on it. Let me just go in and show you. I would and plywood family. I would make it, see there, Jamaica. Let me show you real good. Make it look closer. See there? Just look good. Wood. Wood, all of them also. See there, wood. Wood. Look at the ceiling. Wood. And Jamaica people want to see this, you know. Because if I don't talk about, you might have a piece of land and want to build a house. And if I don't have board house in Jamaica out there, you have plywood house, but I want to show you something today. Alright? But take the time off to come over here for showing you something, Jamaican people. A house I build so them a house when them done is $600,000 US for them a house, yeah. More than $500,000. You thought that's the starting price for them a house, yeah, alright? So may I take you to somewhere else. May I go down the road. May I show you what them look like when them done. But we don't need a key for going out since we didn't go to the office. So see there. See the family, starting 600,000. This finish, right? Remember, this is the model home, all right? So, let me go in and go see. Just to show you real quick. If them not lock it, because if I got a seal out, it's not supposed to lock, it's supposed to be open. All right? It's open. All right, family. Are we looking? Let me make sure, say. All right. This is Manteca, California. Them building up. It's a growing neighborhood. Since everybody moving out of San Francisco Bay Area because it's so expensive. Since all the people, the young techie, they move over there. They work up all these tech firm, make everything in the Bay Area price go up. So most people want to come inland more to live, so them get a cheaper house. So while you think you want to leave the Bay Area because it's so expensive, you come inland. Don't forget, people are coming here too. The techies are coming here too. They're looking for a better life and better home. They are looking for cheaper prices too. So you find out the competition is high. You understand? Even though people struggling, people come inland. These new homes, they're going to attract a lot of people with money also. So what do you think going to happen? The price go up. And the more homes they build, it's the more the price go up and making the market value around here, property value go up, even older homes, you know. So, that's how it go. You saw it nice, family. You wouldn't know it's no concrete and steel, you know. So on the bathroom downstairs. I just come in and run a quick to show me people in my Jamaica because some of them never really understand, but they have a phone and then they're on Facebook. So they can see me and they can hear me. You know, so we can do it to Jamaica. Look here. Look. The window ledge. Look on it. You will never know say a board in this. You never know say a board in this family. Never know. If nobody not tell you. Board, we just shown a while ago. You know? On the bathroom. Let me go in the living room real quick. Maybe I read past this, so kitchen, boom, bam, bam. Alright, I'm gonna go upstairs real quick. I have to go about my business doing, I have things to do. But I have to show my people my thing. You know? Downstairs where I come from. Pictures on the wall. Nice, you know? This is a loft right here. Right here, a little loft. Right, open. Loft, I could turn to that bedroom if I want to, but it's a nice little sitting area. It's called a loft. Washroom upstairs. See that? Washroom right there, so. Washer and dryer. Not bad, huh? Not bad. So this is the master bedroom. Right? You see me I say? Look at the roof, ceiling. Sheet, rock, and stucco. Plywood, Jamaica. You hear me say? What do you hear me say? Alright. Don't make nobody fool you no. Starting 600,000. See me there again. I'm a man. Respect. Alright, the shower. Alright. Walk-in closet. Right? It seems as if it is two walk-in closet. This is for his. Yeah, you saw them do the man them. We don't get the walk-in closet, you know. Look what the closet space that the man get. Look at so. God damn, just hang up two shirts. But look over there, so. This is what I must do, man, you know. That's how they treat you, man. You're tired right there, so. Alright, family. So you can't say me no show, no. Can't say me no show no family. Don't make nobody show off pound, you know. Don't make nobody show off pound in Jamaica. Here? Let me knock the wall, make you hear. Listen here. You hear that? Listen again. Hear again. The man type of wall you can thump through. If I watch movie and see man thump out them wall, yeah, you can't do that at Jamaica because you broke your finger. Because concrete and steel. However, me I tell you no say, we can do it. Not for we don't have the money at Jamaica, but we can buy some board and some plywood and some chicken wire. A horse that. I swear to God. A house that. And one day I plan to do something like this in Jamaica. Even the interior house, you know. Think about it. If you build a house in Jamaica, it came up to me. Build a wall around it. Wall. And the interior, all the partition, just like this. You could use wood and sheetrock and stucco and thing there. Sheetrock for the partition. So, maybe next model over there, so I'm not even going to go to Rasta. Because you know, so me. Let me just peep in there real quick and show them. Real quick, I'm not going to go upstairs. Real quick. Because I'm not nosy, you know. 2,617 square feet. 2,617 square feet. Upstairs. As you come in at this, you see. You see myself again. Alright. Alright. It's a bedroom / office could I use as a bedroom. And if somebody comes stay with you, they can use this because they have their own bathroom right there. So you see me I say? Boom. Alright, let's look in there, so. Look there. Look at that. Let's check out the walk-in. The pantry. This is a pantry. Wow, it's a nice size pantry. You see that? These are model homes, guys. These are model homes. Trust me, the people who decorate this go to our school feet. Tell me, I tell you. Them people who decorate them house here. Then go to school for all them thing. I tell you. And a normal. Yeah. And yep. So we're looking at the backyard real quick. This is the back patio. Alright, it's a big patio. I like this. You can go there. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. So see the fan I tell you about there. So a ceiling fan can be in around the back patio. Somebody they have a fan around here, so. Nice. That's nice. Nice backyard. Really nice. I like this. Oh my God. This is nice. This is detached car garage. So this is your garage. Your garage right there, so. This is nice. I like that. I like this. This really me like this. Your garage is in the back, right? So you walk under that if rain even fall. You go under there, so you're there, your back patio downstairs. You walk through them door, then you go inside. See? This is nice. I like this. So this is a gate to go to the garage. Let's look at the garage real quick. Family. Oh, the gate locked. It's all good. That's the garage. Number 55. See that? Wow, that's nice. I like it. It's all right, guys. All right. All right, we do enough to bring. So this is the AC unit right there, downstairs, outer door, right there, so. All right, so this is nice. I like this. I really like this right here. So I really like how around here so feel. I really, yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I like all this. And guess what? You got a fireplace to rotted. The back patio. Look at sir. Look at sir. Look there. There's a fireplace. Look, gas fireplace. So you could be back here even when it's cold, family. Look. There's a fireplace right there, so. It's a gas. You turn it on right here. That's tight. That's tight. That's nice. Outside. So this house is for comfort. You know? Yeah. That's something to see if you buy a house, you have to buy it. If you don't think about being comfortable, brother. Maximum comfort. That's the point. Alright. Alright, family. I hope I educate somebody today. I hope I did educate somebody today. Say we can use wood and plywood and make something out of this. So the fake stone there, see the doorbell here. The doorbell work too. See it there? Let me show you.
Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabble.